What if one prompt could generate videos like this? A fish exploring a sunken submarine. A shark with a GoPro discovering a sunken World War II bomber. A giant eel finding a lost Roman harbor underwater. And all of it filmed in first-person GoPro style. Now here's the crazy part. Channels are getting hundreds of thousands, even millions, of views from simple videos like this. And most of them are incredibly simple to produce. No actors, no voiceover, just a short visual story told from the perspective of an animal. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how these viral POV videos work. And more importantly, how you can create them using AI, step by step. And in this video, I'll actually recreate one of these videos from scratch. Even better, I'll show you how to build a workflow that lets you mass create these videos faster and easier if you want to go deep into this niche. Recently, I came across a YouTube Shorts channel called Animal GoCam, and many of their videos are getting hundreds of thousands of views. And the concept is incredibly simple. Every video is filmed from the perspective of an animal, as if the animal is wearing a GoPro camera. For example, a giant fish exploring the ocean floor, a shark discovering a sunken ship, or a cat wandering through a city alley. Each video is usually less than a minute long, but the storytelling format is very consistent. And once you understand the formula, you realize something very important. These videos are perfect for AI generation. Before we talk about the AI workflow, in a minute, I'll show you the exact prompt system that generates these shots automatically. So now let's break down the AI workflow. Because viral videos usually follow a simple pattern, and this niche is no different. Most of these POV videos follow a four-step storytelling structure. Step 1, the hook. Step 2, exploration. Step 3, discovery. Step 4, twist or mystery. Let me show you what that looks like. Imagine a video like this. A fish with a GoPro swims through a lake. At first, nothing unusual happens, but as the fish explores deeper, it discovers something strange. A rusted train at the bottom of the lake. And suddenly the viewer asks, "Wait, what is that doing there?" Now the audience is curious, so the fish keeps exploring, and maybe the video ends with a mysterious moment. That curiosity is what drives people to watch until the end. And that's exactly what the YouTube algorithm loves. Now here's the interesting part. This entire format relies on visual exploration. You don't need actors, dialogue, or complicated editing. All you really need are POV camera shots, interesting environments, and a simple story. And that is exactly the type of content that modern AI tools can generate. So now let's break down the AI workflow. The basic workflow looks like this: idea prompt, images, video animation, editing. And the key step is writing a strong prompt, because the prompt determines the environment, the camera angle, the mood, and the perspective. After testing dozens of prompts, I finally built a one-click prompt template inside Gemini Gems. I call it AI Prompt Workflow. Once this is set up, creating videos becomes much easier. All I need to do is input a title. Gemini will automatically analyze the details and generate complete ready-to-copy prompts. For example, if we want to generate a fish POV scene using the title, "A shark with a GoPro found a sunken WWII bomber in the Pacific Ocean," then we simply head over to Gemini. Click Gems. And here you can see the gem I created for this niche called GoPro POV Relic Hunter. If you want to create your own gems, just click plus new gem to get started. Now we open the GoPro POV gem. Make sure to select the Pro model. Then input the title. "A shark with a GoPro found a sunken World War II bomber in the Pacific Ocean." And here we go. You will see the prompt workflow start working. You can even open it to see how it functions behind the scenes. After a few seconds of processing, Gemini generates the entire prompt structure, including shot titles, Nano Banana image prompts, VO 3.1 animation prompts. In total, it gives us 10 shots step by step, which is perfect for a YouTube Shorts video. and the last shot even includes a bonus surprise ending. Honestly, I designed this structure specifically to improve video performance. If you don't like the ending Easter egg, you can simply type your own idea in the chat box. And don't worry about the prompts. You can find them in the video description. Once we have the prompts, we generate the scene images. We start with frame images first. Since the prompts were tailored for Nano Banana 2, you can use any tool that supports Nano Banana. In this case, I'm using Gemini directly. To make things easier, I copy all the prompts into a document. Then I open a new chat in Gemini. Make sure to choose the Pro model again and select Create Image. Paste the first prompt. Here is a useful trick. Shot 1 defines the main protagonist. If you want the same protagonist in different videos, you can upload a reference image. Then slightly modify the prompt by adding facial reference to uploaded image. And finally add 9:16 ratio at the end. I didn't include 9:16 in the original prompt because some people might want to create 16:9 long-form videos. So adding it manually is easy. Once shot 1 is ready, we move to shot 2. Add same man at the beginning of the prompt to maintain character consistency. Add the 9:16 ratio again, and you'll see the results remain very consistent. Now repeat the same process for the remaining shots. I'll speed up the process here. And once everything is finished, these are the images we get. Once we have the images, we generate the video clips. In this case, I'm using Google Veo 3.1 in Flow, but you can also use other AI video tools that support cinematic motion. The goal is to make the footage feel like a real GoPro perspective. That means wide-angle lens, camera motion, forward movement, environmental depth. The great thing about this workflow is that most of these details are already included in the prompts, so we only need to copy and paste. Head over to Google Flow and start a new project. Upload all the images we generated. You might ask, why not generate images directly in Flow since it also supports Nano Banana? Yes, I tested that. But in my experience, Gemini produced better image results. Now let's start animating the clips. Choose Veo 3.1 Fast Model. Paste the animation prompt. Rendering usually takes 1 to 2 minutes, so we can continue with the remaining clips. Once some clips are ready, let's preview them. Pretty good, right? Once the clips are ready, editing is actually very simple. You don't need complex transitions, just clean cuts. Import the clips into CapCut or any editing software you prefer. Most viral POV shorts follow this structure: hook scene, exploration scenes, discovery scene, ending moment. For the first clip, choose the most visually interesting shot to grab attention. Since Veo clips are about 8 seconds long, I recommend trimming them to 3 to 5 seconds each. This pacing works better for shorts. You can also add subtle sound design, underwater ambience, ocean sounds, light suspense music. The good news is many of these sound cues are already suggested by the AI prompts, which saves a lot of time. Once everything is done, export the video and it's ready to post. One of the biggest reasons these videos perform well is because they create mystery. For example, why is there a train underwater? What is the fish going to find next? Viewers want to know the answer, so they keep watching. And high retention leads to more algorithm distribution. Now here's where things get interesting. Once you understand the formula, you can generate hundreds of video ideas. Instead of a fish, you could create A giant catfish discovering a sunken tank. A giant eel finding a lost Roman harbor. A moray eel exploring the Seine River. A giant fish discovering a hidden submarine dock. A predatory fish exploring the Mariana Trench. Each idea follows the same format, but the environments are different. I also created 100 high-potential topic ideas for this Animal POV plus GoPro plus mystery niche. You don't have to spend time brainstorming. Just grab the file and paste the ideas into the AI prompt workflow. And I will also share the prompts used in this video in the description. This niche works for 3 main reasons. First, the videos are visually engaging. Second, the storytelling is simple. And third, the format is extremely scalable. You can create dozens of variations, different animals, different environments, different discoveries, and every video becomes a new short story. So to recap, the viral Animal GoPro POV format follows a simple structure: hook, exploration, discovery, mystery. And with AI tools, it's now possible to generate these scenes without filming anything in real life, which opens the door to creating entire series of videos. If you want to try my AI prompt workflow, you can download it in the description. And if you want the 100 viral POV video ideas list, you'll find that there too. If there are other niches or video ideas you want me to break down, leave a comment below. Your idea might even appear in my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.